right here. You feel that? You get headaches?
Sometimes.
This is our headache bone, is what I like to call that. So right here, you just relax as much as you can. Right here. Relax, relax. Beautiful. There you go. That was the one right there. Good. Turn your head to this side. I'm gonna feed in right here. Good. Back down. That was it.
That was it?
Right there.
Really?
Yep. Let me check. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's in the right spot. Feel like grind?
Yeah. Really nice.
There it is. This one's grinding too. There it is. Relax. We're gonna soften you up. Good. There we go.